In this video, I will show you how to connect Squarespace domain to Render. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account and your Render account. Now, once you're in your Render account, what we're going to do is we're going to find the project that we want to connect the Squarespace domain to. We're going to click on the project. We're going to choose the project, and on the left sidebar of the project we're going to see settings. We're going to click on settings. We're going to go to the far right here and we're going to click on custom domains. Now on the custom domain we're going to click on add custom domain. Now here we're going to go to Squarespace. We're going to go to domains and we're going to find the domain that we want to add to Render. We're going to copy that domain and we're going to come to Render and we're going to input that domain here. So we're going to click on save. It's going to ask us to add some DNS configurations in order to allow the DNS connect. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Squarespace. We're going to come to DNS, and on the DNS settings we're going to click on add record. We're going to go through the verification process of adding a record. And here we're gonna go back to Render this IP. So we're gonna click on copy. We're gonna use an A record and we're gonna point to this IP. For the host name, we're gonna put at. We'll click on save. Now it says a custom record was added. We're gonna add another record and we're gonna go to Render, and this one is a CNAME record. It's gonna point to www and it's gonna point to this link. So we copy this. The host name should be www. The type is a CNAME, and we leave the time, and the data is going to be the link that was given to us by Render. We click on save. A custom record was saved. Now we're going to go to Render. We're going to ensure that we verify that these configurations have been added. Now, usually it takes between 48 to 72 hours to verify fully. But as you can see, this has verified and it says certificate error. So you're going to have to verify again. Wait till it's fully verified. It says this says domain verified, and it's going to verify. And once it's propagated, your account should be connected. Now, that's how to connect Squarespace domain to Render. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.